Okay, so on today's quick tip, I'm going to show you, we've got here these bonding plates for 2020 extrusion, and a 4-pack of these is about $13–14 on Amazon, and it really is just a piece of plated aluminum. It's anodized, which makes it look nice, but they're pretty expensive, and it really is just a small piece of extrusion with some screws in it. So what we're going to do today is, on the quick tip, we're going to show you how to take this very run-of-the-mill piece of aluminum. You can pick it up at any hardware store. I get mine from metal supermarkets, but you can get this just about anywhere at the hardware store and make these for, this piece was $6. So you can go ahead and make this in just a couple of minutes. So I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. So let's get to work.
So what I'm using here is 1/8 inch by 2.5 inches. It's just flat bar stock, and like I said, you can pick this up at most big box home improvement stores. And then what I did here is just simply trace the outline. Now, something that should be noted is that 1/8 inch is slightly thinner than these plates. These plates are 4 millimeters and it's 3.1 millimeters. So it is 0.8 millimeters slightly smaller. So just trace this as an outline, and you can do this pretty quickly. I used a mechanical pencil because you can get a slightly sharper edge. And then we're going to take this over to the miter saw, and we're going to cut this out. So here we are at the miter saw. Now what I've got here is an 80 tooth carbide metal blade, and I put a link for this in the description. It's actually a fairly inexpensive blade, but it does cut aluminum extremely well. I recommend it, and you can put it into your regular woodworking miter saw, which is what I did here. And the rest of this is pretty simple. I just made 3 simple cuts to cut off the excess off of this piece. Be very careful, watch your fingers, and make sure that you've got this secure. Once we're done with these cuts, we're going to take it over to the drill press and finish this up. Now that we make our last cut, we're going to take this over to the drill press. And with the drill press, this works pretty easily. You just drill on each one of these individual holes that we drew around in the first step. And once you're done here, we should have our finished part. These are metric 5 millimeter bits, and I did put the link for these bits in the description. You may have a harder time at your big box store, but I was able to find a set there as well. And there you have it. These plates are about $14 on Amazon, and I was able to make this, just one of these, out of a piece of aluminum that was only about $6, and I should be able to get about 10 more out of these, so I'm saving about 3 times that amount in making these myself.
Well, that's it for this video. Hey, if you enjoyed it, make sure you mash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you decide on making these, leave a comment below and let me know how it worked out for you and what you'll be using it for. All right, well, thanks again, and we'll talk to you next time.